Hey guys, welcome to another showcase video today, and this is going to be a showcase of the item and inventory system by Deviant Games, and this is something that's completely free, which we can get on the Unity store, and I'm always on the lookout for fantastic assets, and this is an inventory system which is fully featured, which you want to check out. Be sure to check out my Patreon if you want to support the channel, check out the community Discord, and check out my great assets on the Unity store if that interests you. So without further ado, the Deviant Games item and inventory system is something that's suitable for an RPG, an FPS, an RTS, and I spoke to the actual game developer, and the developer was saying that he's going to be working on new systems, new updates to be able to bring in FPS functionality out of the box without you having to do anything else, but it's got a fully featured actual inventory system, which I will show you today, which has got an editor, it's got a triggering system, it's got stats, saving, animation windows, currency systems, a vendor system. You can gather resources, do crafting, have skills, you can restrict certain things, you can add item property generators, and you can easily modify and extend this from here. So when you get into Unity, you can go to the item and inventory system on the Unity asset store. You can type in inventory, doesn't matter which. You can choose to import the asset, and you can see that of what it comes. It's about 500 megabytes in size, and when you get it, you get a bunch of packs, which are the stats system, the third-person controller, and everything. You'll get a test scene, which is in the folder of inventory system, examples, scenes, and then the main scene. And I will show you the different things that can go on in the system. Is that you see that we have a third-person controller out of the box. We can hold left click to look around and look around the player. We can walk around with WASD. We can use the right click to almost zoom in a little bit. We've got the action bar at the bottom. We've got the player's stats, and all the particular inventory items can be moved around within the system. You can open up an inventory by clicking on it, and you've got all the inventory which are highlighted from here. You can open up your equipment, which can be used and promoted there. You've got spells, skills, and other things available, even a save and load and options to change the different effects that are in there. You can do different things, the chopping the tree models, and you will increase your skills as you go along as you do this, and you will collect wood. You have to walk over to the item, left click. This interaction can be changed by you just walking over the actual object itself. There's different customizations in there, and you can equip different things to your character. Is if you need to, you can just right click and you can change the functionality. So we've got a pickaxe to mine the rock, but we don't have a high enough level, so we can do different things. Like this includes chests, so we can see what's inside the chest. We can visit the bank, and the bank is like a container which we can just drop things off into the actual place itself. And then you can visit a vendor, which you can buy and sell items that you might already have. Things will have an item value, so you can sell for 19 and buy for more. And as long as you equip specific items, you can select on the anvil. It has actions, and it will tell you that you require a hammer. Do have one in my inventory. I can right click to equip that. I can select the inventory, and it brings up a crafting menu, and I can choose to say I want a rusty sword. I would need 3 iron bars. So essentially, like we suggested, we could go and select the vendor, and we could see that I need so many iron bars. So I can left click, buy 3, 15 gold. I had enough copper available. Again, I can walk over here and I can choose to craft that. I can right click and equip items, and I can left click to attack depending on the items that I do have out at the time. The controller does come with other features like swimming and other specific things in there. Equipment will affect your stats in terms of how much armor and how much of resistance and different stats that you give to particular items. So it's absolutely fully featured with everything that you might need to start, and as I said, the developer is going to be developing different things for this. The pack does come with everything that you need to get started, and the developer does have tutorials on getting yourself set up, setting up the databases to control all the items, be able to control pickups, set up the player, do everything that you need to. So be sure to check out the item and inventory system on the Unity asset store, and be sure to thank the developer for his great asset, and give him any help, bug report, suggestions in his Discord if you like the system itself. So be sure to support me on Patreon if you like the channel and you like the things that I feature. Be sure to join my community Discord, and of course check out my great Unity assets on the Unity store. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.